Well, viewers, young lords, I am going to talk about the restoration comedy or the comedy of manners in this lecture. The restoration comedy or the comedy of manners occupies great importance in the history of drama in English. Restoration period is the period that refers to the 17th century when Charles II returned from France, who was in exile in France for some time, and he took over the throne of England in 1660. Thus, monarchy was restored in England again. So, the period from 1660 to 1710 is called restoration period. As the word suggests, monarchy was restored in England in 1660 when Charles II became the King of England. Now, this period is a different period from all the previous periods, all the previous ages of English literature. This period produced a different type of drama, a different type of comedy that is referred to by restoration comedy or the comedy of manners. Now, the comedy of manners is the comedy that deals with the life of the court. It deals with the life of the aristocratic class of people of England. The important writers of restoration comedy or the comedy of manner included William Congreve, George Etheredge, William Wycherley, Thomas Shadwell, Sir John Vanbrugh. Later, it was revived by Sheridan and Oliver Goldsmith. These were the popular writers of the comedy of manners or the restoration comedy. All the writers wrote comedy of manners which deal with the courtly life, the aristocratic life, the life of the upper class family of England. Now, let me talk about some of the salient features, some of the important characteristics of restoration drama. Restoration drama was written and performed during 1660 to 1710. It is also known as comedy of manners as a synonym of restoration comedy. The theatres saw reopening after a long ban by Sir Oliver Cromwell's Puritan rule. This had the theatres which the King Charles II was fond of. He encouraged more sexually explicit language in theatre, being more rakish than most kings. Restoration Committee was indebted to Johnsonian School as well as Beaumont and Fletcher. The Comedy of Manners or the Restoration Comedy presents the superficial habits and manners of only a section of society, the elegant aristocracy with the vices, intrigues, and outward glamour of polished behavior. Amorous intrigues played a very important part in the action of the drama of the Restoration period. Elizabethan drama used elegant poetry, beautiful poetry. In the Restoration comedy, beautiful poetry was replaced by elegant prose. Prose is of high quality. There are brilliant dialogues in the Restoration comedy. It is witty dialogues. The characters have sexual intrigues and plans. Another important feature of the Restoration comedy is that apart from the main plot of the drama, there are many subplots, or there is at least one or more than one subplots, sometimes more than one. All the plots revolve around the extramarital affairs and sexual intrigues and plans. Passion and emotion are replaced by a rapier sharp wit with polish and hardness. Bonamy Dobry called this drama bonanza of wit, verbal pyrotechnics. Another great critic, Dr. Johnson, called the characters intellectual gladiators. We find elegant dialogues and language in the Restoration comedy or the comedy of manners. The characters of the comedy of manners are mostly types and descriptive names. They are sexually frustrated widows, wards, country squires, and flops with names like Lady Wishfort, Mrs. Malaprop in Congress, The Way of the World. The writers who practiced the comedy of manners or restoration comedy were William Congreve, George Etheredge, William Wycherley, Thomas Shadwell, Sir John Vanbrugh. Later, it was revived by Sheridan and Oliver Goldsmith. Congreve was the greatest author, the greatest dramatist of the Restoration period. He wrote The Old Bachelor, The Double Dealer, Love for Love, The Way of the World. George Etheredge wrote The Comical Revenge or Love in a Tub. She would if she could. The Man of Mood or Sir Hopling Fluter. Wycherley wrote Love in a Wood, The Gentleman Dancing Master, The Country Wife, The Plain Dealer, and others. Comedy of Manners was revived later by Sheridan and Oliver Goldsmith. Sheridan wrote The Rival, The School for a Scandal. Oliver Goldsmith wrote a great play, She Stoops to Conquer. To conclude, Restoration comedy is a type of comedy that was practiced and performed during the second half of the 17th century, from 1660 to 1710. There were many writers. William Congreve was one of the important writers of this type of comedy, this type of drama. Later, Oliver Goldsmith and Sheridan revived Restoration comedy. Thus, Restoration comedy occupies tremendous importance in the history of theatre, in the history of drama in English language. Thanks.